So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to The Daily Call from Option Alpha.
Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again from Option Alpha, and welcome back to The Daily Call. Today we're going to be talking about the first machine learning AI technology for retail traders, one that we are coining OTIS. So it was hard to decide what I was going to follow up show number 365, which was our one-year review of the Daily Call podcast. And I figured the best thing is to talk about this new technology, which is truly the most exciting thing that I have been kind of working on with our team, and it's something that I'm really excited to get out to you guys here in the next couple of months. But we've hinted at this in a couple different areas, not only on the podcast, but also on our Facebook Live channel, also in the membership area and the forum. But our team has developed what I think is one of the coolest pieces of technology, and that is a deep learning AI technology for the stock market. Now, this is something that's not new to the stock market. So if you're thinking to yourself, well, I've heard of this before, or I've seen this before, it's probably true. You have heard of AI technology, you have heard of deep learning, computer machine learning, and it has been applied to the stock market in numerous instances. The difference is that what we are trying to do is release the first ever public open display for retail traders of how this technology works and what the actual outputs of this technology end up being. So what you see many times with AI technology in the finance world, especially in the stock market or in the options trading market, is that this technology is reserved or in a black box for hedge funds or high frequency trading shops. And our goal is to basically break that box wide open and give people the ability to not only see how we built our machine learning technology, what inputs we used, what data went into it, but also to understand how this can potentially generate some better signals or at least more confidence in some of the trades that we're doing. Now, we posted, like I said before, some of this information already on some of our Facebook channels and inside of our groups with Elite and Pro members. And what I can tell you right now is that the way that the machine learning technology works is that it's reading and crunching market data and then trying to figure out correlations between them in very layman's terms and try to figure out a predictive model for where the stock might go in the future. Now, we know that these predictive models are never going to be 100% chance of success or 100% confidence, but if we can get it to around 60, 65% confidence with a small margin of error, then we're going to be basically developing something that nobody has seen in the retail space for average traders like me and you, people that trade for ourselves, the self-directed investors. This has never been done before on this scale. And what I think is really cool about this is that we can not only take this technology and, basically publicly display it and show everyone how it works and what the signals are, but then couple this with our auto trading technology so that we have two mechanisms that work together. Now, what we've done is we've basically developed a profile around this, if you will, and we're calling it OTIS, which stands for Options Trading Integrated System or Intellectual System. And so our idea is that OTIS, as the person or man or whoever he is, that's becomes the basically figure of this, our little bot guy, is that OTIS will have the ability to now add to some predictive power to our auto trading platform. So if we have a stock that we're looking at, OTIS will have the ability to say, okay, where do we think this stock might go with a 60% confidence and small margin for error in the next month or 2 months? And then how can we build a trade around that and let the system basically auto trade it? So it's taking a lot of different elements of trading that we've been wanting to integrate into auto trading and technology and computer deep learning science and bringing them all together under one roof, which I think is insanely powerful and really, really cool. So we're super excited about it. We'll have more details on it. But for us, this was the first, public display and declaration of what we're doing here with OTIS. I hope you guys enjoy it. I would definitely love to hear your comments and your feedback once you see more of the stuff that we'll have rolling out to you guys in the next couple of weeks. As always, hope you guys enjoy this. And until next time, happy trading.
Thanks for joining us on The Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on The Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.